fourth grade. Today we're going to work on comparing with adverbs. And just like with adjectives, we have the comparative and the superlative form. So comparative, we compare two actions. Okay, and superlative, we compare three or more actions. Okay. Most adverbs that tell how end in ly, like slowly, quickly, are two that we're going to work on, slowly and quickly. Okay, so let's take the adverb slowly. We can say that a turtle moves more slowly than a cheetah. More slowly. Because I'm comparing the way a cheetah moves and a turtle moves. I would not say it moves slower. Slower is an adjective that would compare the actual animals. This is comparing the verb, how they move more slowly. Or I could say that a cheetah moves more quickly than a turtle. I wouldn't say quicker. Quickly is the adverb. It moves more quickly. I can say that a cheetah moves the most quickly of all land animals. The most quickly. But I would probably say that it moves the fastest, because that's a better adverb to use there. Fast is an adverb that does not end in ly. So I don't have to use most, I just add est. Or I could say that the cheetah moves faster than the turtle. All right, I could, if I want to use most slowly, I can say that the sloth, the three-toed sloth, moves the most slowly of all land animals. So if I have an adverb with ly, I'm going to use more or most. If I have an adverb that doesn't have ly, like fast, I'm just going to add er or est. So more for two actions, most for three or more. And then we're going to take the adverbs well and badly. Okay, and they have special words for their comparative and superlative forms. So we have well and badly. And you will recognize their forms because they're just like the forms of good and bad. Okay, comparative is better, and the superlative is best of well. Okay, and the comparative of badly would be worse, and the superlative would be worst. Okay, so here are some examples that we can use with those words. We can say that a glue stick works well on paper. The way it works well. We can say that Elmer's glue works better with glitter than a glue stick. It works better. I'm comparing the way it works with a glue stick and the way glitter works with Elmer's glue. Okay, and I can say that wood glue works the best of all for gluing wood. The best of all, out of all kinds of glue. Okay, and then with badly, I can say that it hurt badly when I skinned my knee. Okay, it tells how it hurt badly. Or I could say it hurt worse when I had to get stitches. And I could say that it hurt worst of all when I broke my arm. Okay, notice we're telling how on all of these, how the action happened. Now if you look in your workbook on page 93, here you're supposed to take this adverb and write the form that's in parentheses. So it says the wind in Antarctica blows blank than in Africa. We're comparing how the wind blows in Antarctica and how it blows in Africa. That's two actions where it blows. We're going to say harder. The wind in Antarctica blows harder than in Africa. Okay, number two, we want the comparative form. I walk blank on the ice than I do on the rocks. We're comparing how I walk on the ice to how I walk on the rocks. So you'll write more slowly. Not slower, that's an adjective. More slowly is your adverb. Okay, so you need to go ahead and finish that page, numbers 3 through 6.